Eyes on the Earth. Fly along with NASA's Earth science missions in real time. Monitor Earth's vital signs like carbon dioxide, ozone and sea level, and see satellite imagery of the latest major weather events, all in an immersive 3D environment. Ride along with the International Space Station and watch the sun rise and set 16 times a day. Check out the latest carbon monoxide data to see if there are fires around the globe, or see the latest precipitation and soil moisture data. Track dozens of NASA satellites as they take data above Earth. Watch videos and animations explaining the latest data trends, or go back in time to see past data. You can select a date range and play back global imagery and data going back 20 years, including major weather events. With eyes on the Earth, you can track Earth's vital signs live.